When I was a kid, I loved manicotti night. So my mom would make this, and my version is a cheesy vegetable manicotti recipe.
Okay, all right.
All right, yeah, I'm adding a little veg to it. You know?
I'll do it already.
Yep. All right, so Sunny, I'm gonna have you help me here. The manicotti is already cooked. You just kind of par cook these, not all the way of what the box instruction says. You know, give them a few minutes less since they're gonna go in the oven.
Okay.
And first I'm gonna make the mixture. So I already sauteed some zucchini and squash and onions, and I'm gonna add to that some ricotta cheese. An egg. This helps everything hold together, but it also gives it some richness too. Some Parmesan cheese.
Katie, you could use like frozen cut vegetables, right?
Completely, yeah. Cook them first to get out some of that water.
Yeah.
But yeah, you could just do frozen. And some parsley. Gonna hit it with a little bit of salt.
Lots of parsley,
A
I
little
like
bit
that.
of pepper in there. And then this just gets mixed up here. I've got the measuring cup here with the zip top bag in it. Fill it up, then you close it, then you snip it off,
I'm
and
ready.
then you fill the shells,
All
okay?
right.
And while you do that, I'm gonna make our sauce. You just take a can of San Marzano tomatoes. I like those because they're the sweetest, they're the best canned tomatoes you can buy. 28-ounce can. You're gonna put them in the blender, pulse them up. So all you do to this, add some salt to it.
Like a pizza sauce, right? Basically.
Add some pepper to it. Add some fresh basil to it. And it's gonna cook in the oven. And like I said, these tomatoes are such good quality that they don't even really need to cook that much. I put a cup of it down here, and then I'm just gonna put these in our 9x13. So this is great to assemble ahead of time. You can, then just have to pop it in the oven, or you can even wrap this up and freeze it, and then all you have to do is take it out, add cheese to it, and bake it. So now I'm gonna take the sauce, the rest of it, and pour it over the top.
Beautiful color.
Yeah, it really is.
Yeah,
When
you
you
see
don't
how
cook out the sauce, it's
bright and rich that is.
I want to get a gold medal for manicotti filling.
You didn't even need a piping bag or a pastry chip, nothing. You did
I'm
that.
not even Italian, you know what I'm saying?
All right, more cheese. We've got shredded mozzarella going on top of this.
Oh, yeah.
So 3 cheeses in here, the ricotta, the mozzarella, and the Parmesan. And we're gonna do a little bit more Parmesan, because it's comfort food night, so why not, you know?
And I mean, there's veggies all up in there, Katie,
That's
come on.
exactly right.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna pop this in the oven.
Can I mention how fast this is? You could probably do this whole thing in 15 minutes from scratch.
Okay.
Mommy would be proud.
I think Mom would be happy.
proud.
Mom, you watching? Did I do okay? Fresh parsley.
I'm not missing any of the meat or anything. This is really yummy. Pasta cooked perfectly. Mommy raised you on this, Katie. Yes. It's delicious.